Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be all about customer service. I think I have 10 different jobs to share in this video. All of them are going to be customer service based. I do a lot of videos about non-phone remote work from home positions because I know that's what most of you are looking for based on the comments, but I don't ever want to leave anyone out. I try to always find and share a variety of things, something a little bit for everyone. And there are some people who do enjoy customer service or somebody who just needs to work from home for their family life. Whatever your situation is, and so you will take customer service. Also, taking work from home customer service jobs is a great way to get your foot in the door to the work from home field, get experience working from home, and then you have that experience to put on your resume leading up to better jobs, non-phone jobs, things like that. So just know that going in, all of these are customer service. They're all going to require phone work, but if you are looking for anything specific, you can leave that in the comments below. I always read those, even if I'm not always responding. I keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I'm going to try to go through these rather quickly because customer service is literally the same thing over and over. I don't really want to be repeating myself too much. It is literally answering the phone and trying to help the customer to the best of your ability in a friendly and empathetic way, being mindful of trying to put that customer first. But first up, we have the company GE. Now, they have 19,000 reviews from people who have worked for them either currently or in the past. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an inbound customer service agent. Again, remote work from home. This is going to be for the United States. Everything I'm sharing is for the United States only. Now, GE can only hire in certain states at this time. Those states are Utah, South Dakota, Texas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Mississippi, Kentucky, Ohio, and South Carolina. But if you are in one of those states, they do offer paid training and they offer all the equipment you need. So you don't even have to have a computer setup or a home office setup. You just have to have internet access in your home. They're going to give you the computer, the keyboard, the monitors, the headset for your phone. They're going to give you all the equipment you need to do the job. They are paying $15 an hour, and they are looking for somebody who can complete a training schedule Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then after training, you're expected to work 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, because I know they're hiring from South Carolina, that's going to be in the Eastern time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. But you're basically going to be focused on solutions for those customer issues. You're going to not only answer phone calls, but also emails, chats, and written inquiries, just providing answers for the product information that the customer is requesting. GE has several different product lines. They make like washing machines, they make refrigerators. So you're basically going to create, update, and retrieve owner records, logging facts surrounding complaints, actions, and resolutions for whatever product they are calling in for. Now, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has at least 1 year of working experience in customer service or a sales environment. Someone who can take charge, be a self-starter, basically be a problem solver, just resolving those issues. Of course, you have to have some computer skills, multitasking around different systems and using a basic computer systems like Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, all those things. If you're not in one of those states, though, that's okay. Next up, we have DraftKings. Now, DraftKings has 639 reviews, an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer experience associate. So again, you are basically going to be doing that customer service, demonstrating your product knowledge, problem solving, and research skills for the customers through phone, email, chat, and social media. So you're going to promote the DraftKings brand and any conflict resolution abilities through your effective communication skills. They do prefer a college degree, but they will take prior work experience over a degree. They're looking for somebody who has prior online customer service experience, somebody who can work a variety of shifts available both on weekdays and weeknights. So they're looking for somebody who can work any shift between 6 a.m. and 12 a.m. midnight. You'll work 5 days on and 2 days off. You may have to work some weekends again. They're looking for somebody who's at least 21 years or older because this is like a betting, gambling type thing. You do have to be of age for state requirements. You've got to be polite, attentive, and friendly. And of course, you got to be able to work with computer systems. Pay is anywhere from $15.60 an hour all the way up to $23.40 an hour. Now, next up, we have 2 different companies that are going to be like finance credit card companies. The first one is Credit One Bank. Now, I've seen Credit One Bank advertise a lot in the NASCAR races and NASCAR programming that is on TV. They have 359 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring someone to do telephone support for operations specialists. I do quickly want to point out for this job that it was advertised on the job board I got it from as a remote job. And then down below under the preferred working skills, it says somebody who has worked remotely experienced before. So it doesn't say it's remote anywhere else but those 2 places. So I wanted to point out this is where I got that it was remote work from home at. But again, for their credit card and card members, you're just going to serve as that primary point of contact for giving all the products and service information to the customers. You're going to do this through like telephone, email, online chat, social media. So you're going to be basically helping them with their accounts. You might help them with like credit limits, payments, all kinds of financial things like that. They only require a high school diploma or GED, 4 years of customer service. They do want somebody who's a background in credit card environment. And of course, you've got to have great communication skills and be self-motivated. But if you're looking for a bigger financial and credit card company, next up we have Capital One, 17,000 reviews, a 3.9 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a work from home customer resilience coordinator. So same thing, you're going to be helping solve customer problems, specifically securing payment or making payment arrangements on those accounts where the customers are not paying their bill or in risk of going into bad debt collections, things like that for not paying their bill. You're going to perform account level research, understanding the customer's needs. You will take inbound phone calls as well as make those outbound collection calls. You find an account where the person has not paid their bill and they're now past due. You're going to call and try to get them to pay that bill. If there's any account information that's out of date, you're going to update their account information and complete any documentation needed in the computer system. Now, as far as basic qualifications needed for this job, Capital One requires either a high school diploma or GED and at least 1 year of some kind of customer service experience. And you've got to have 1 year of experience using computers like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, those types of things, or the Google equivalent, Google Suite. Pay for this position is $43,680 a year. If you're looking for a little bit higher paying customer service job, this next one might be for you. AlphaSense, they have 306 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an associate for their customer experience and support. Now, AlphaSense is a market intelligence and search platform used by leading companies and financial institutions. So basically, they're in the new and up-and-coming AI-based technology. So this is going to require you to have a little bit of tech support knowledge. You're basically acting as the first line of defense and advocate for all customers globally, making sure that they have a positive customer experience, guiding them through the features and functionalities of this AI technology, maximizing their experience. So you're going to investigate, diagnose, and troubleshoot, find solutions through emails, live chats, and phone calls for the customers. So they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience, has a customer first mindset, and of course has some tech knowledge. Do you have an interest in AI, technology, software applications, those types of things? Pay for this position is $65,000 a year, all the way up to $72,000 a year. If you can hit that $72,000 mark, that is going to be a little over $1,300 a week. But moving right along, next up we have Accuweather. They have 198 reviews. They do have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating of 2.7 stars. So on the website, there is links to all of these Glassdoor pages as well as these application pages. If you're interested in any of these, please make sure you read the reviews on Glassdoor before giving any companies your personal information. But Accuweather is hiring a customer service specialist. Now, they're specifically looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday. They have a 12 a.m. to 8 a.m., so overnight shift, alternating weekend availability. So you will have to work some weekends with this. You're basically, though, going to be monitoring assigned work queues, taking those inbound calls, and also making outbound calls for required products and follow-up, and helping the reception desk with coverage when needed. So you're going to identify and just address all customer issues, assisting customers by identifying and analyzing their needs. So basically being that problem solver for them. Not only a high school diploma or GED is required, while they do prefer somebody who has a degree in like English, journalism, marketing, things like that, it's not required as long as you have 1 to 2 years in customer service as experience. Someone who has great communication skills, can be a multitasker, and again, proficient with those Microsoft Office computer systems. Now, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you're still with me so far, thank you so much for hanging in there. I know I have a lot to share. Please give this video a thumbs up, like button if you're enjoying any of these customer service jobs, or if you don't mind customer service jobs, that will give me that direct feedback. But keeping it moving, the next up we have GetSetUp. They only have 28 reviews on Glassdoor. They're a smaller company, so again, do your own research. They do have an employee satisfaction rating though of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a support operations specialist. This is going to be for a shift between the hours of 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure if you're outside of that time zone, you convert your hours to see if that will work for you. This one is going to require some tech support knowledge as well. You're basically helping older adults instill the confidence in their ability to use technology independently today in an ever-changing world where AI and everything is coming up. So you're going to tackle multiple queues of emails, chats, messages, and phone support, just prioritizing them. So you might have to multitask and work on multiple projects at the same time, but you're going to serve as the point of contact for tech support projects, focusing around like iPad accessories, tablets, Chromebooks, or other items. So you're going to help people learn how and navigate using these items. So they are looking for somebody who has reliable high-speed internet, someone who has familiarity with Zendesk or ticketing systems, someone who has great attention to detail, can be a problem solver, and who has empathy and patience for working with people who may not understand technology. You've got to be able to put your words into common knowledge that someone would understand, but pay for this one is $20 to $22 an hour. Now, if you're looking for something more in a healthcare type related field, BroadPath Health Solutions has 919 reviews, a 3.1 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a coverage review representative, again, remote for the United States. So coverage is talking about basically like insurance coverage. So you're going to be working with healthcare providers and insurance companies, just explaining medical plans to members that have these insurance plans, pharmacies, or any additional verified call with whom agents work with to resolve member issues. So you're going to handle updating their accounts, adding basic information like address, telephone numbers, their primary care physician, things like that, so that their account is up to date. You're going to have to handle mail order items and reviewing them with the caller as needed, handling basic customer service complaints, appeals, prescriptions, or primary care physician issues and concerns. So this might also pertain to like insurance billing issues, refunds, or escalations needed. So this is going to really resolve around the pharmacy and drug department, but you're just helping the patients with any issues they have regarding their insurance, billing, or getting what they need. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, someone who has claims or medical billing knowledge, someone who can work with a computer and has great data entry skills. You're going to be putting a lot of information into the computer, and you do have to have internet that you can hardwire into your computer. They don't accept Wi-Fi. Now, pay for this position is $14.50 an hour. Now, if you do have at least some college experience, then working for a university college education itself may be something you want to look into. Devry University has 1,300 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote student support advisor. Now, what this means is you're basically going to be helping support other students that are enrolled or enrolling into Devry University with their education journey. So you're going to provide with them, helping them get through that enrollment process, signing up with their classes, answering any student questions that they have, giving them information like on the program they're enrolling into, the tuition costs, outlining any funding options they have, such as like financial aid, student loans, things like that. So you're going to help develop and validate a financial plan for them, establish clear timelines, and make sure that all their paperwork gets done. So you'll have to understand things like financial aid programs, policies, and procedures, but you're basically just helping them pick their classes, get enrolled, and get the financing set up. They are looking for somebody who has at least some college coursework, somebody who has 1 year of customer service, someone who is eligible to have access to databases like financial federal aid. So you're probably going to have to pass some kind of a background check. And of course, someone who can work with computer systems, specifically like Outlook for email, Word, Excel, those types of things. And pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's $23.32 an hour. And last but not least, we have Williams Sonoma, the retail store, hiring. They have 3,900 reviews, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. I feel like Williams Sonoma is always hiring, but they have it listed that they're hiring full-time staff until July of 2024. So they're specifically ramping up their hiring, trying to build out their customer service team. You do have to live in specific states, though. Those are Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Kansas, Maryland, Minnesota, Mississippi, Nevada, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Utah, Virginia, or Wisconsin. But if that is you, you're basically going to be helping anyone trying to buy things through the website, or even people who are calling in because they've bought things in the store and they're not happy with them. So you're basically addressing customer concerns regarding product and delivery information, giving them new product information, telling them what's new, reviewing alternative solutions if an item's out of stock, helping them place orders, just helping them shop the Williams Sonoma products and brands, checking inventory, processing returns, issue replacements for damaged items, just basically all those customer service things you do when shopping. Now, they pay $15 an hour, plus they offer a 40% discount on most of their merchandise if you want to shop there too. Above that, you just need a high school diploma and 1 to 2 years of customer service experience. So this one might be a little bit easier to get into if you're just trying to get into that work from home field. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave anything in the comments specific to what you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed any of these. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.